Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on TED Talks app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go down until you find here this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page, you will search about the application of TED and you will enter here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, you will go to permissions and you will click here. Then in this list, you will check if all these permissions are allowed. This permission of notifications, as you see, will turn on here in this sign. And after that, you will return to this page of app info. Here you will go to force stop and you can click OK, and then you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. After that, you will go to this application of Play Store. You will search about the application of TED Talks app. Here in this page, if you find here updating this blue sign, you will update your app. But if all the steps not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So after that, we will go to this application of TED, and here, as you see, we'll wait a moment. And as you see here, you'll find this application are working with you like this. So that's all. This is how you can solve the problem of not working on the application of TED Talks. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.